Hello, I'm Timothy Perfect from Two Canoe Software, and I want to show you a new feature of XCreds 3.1, the ability to provide an override script so that you can have settings on the local machine that override the settings from the configuration profile, but in a way that's secure. So let me walk you through on how this is done. So let's jump right in. All right, so the first thing we want to do is define that script location. So that's controlled by the configuration profile, and there's a new key called override script path, and settings override script path, and that provides a path on the local disk to a script. And if that script exists and it has the correct permissions, then it'll be run, and any keys that come back will be replaced from the configuration profile. So let me open up and actually show this. So I have that script installed on this machine, and I've actually already have terminal opened up, and I can see I have this script. And first of all, let me just do a long listing. You can see that it's 755 root and staff. So the only person that can write to it is root, which is important. And let me just actually go ahead and open it up. I'll use the best of all text editors, VI. And you can see what this one does is it just has a very simple script that what it does, it takes a sample plist and replaces some variables in it. And what this does, it looks in the desktop pictures and chooses a random photo for the background. And then it will also generate the admin or return the admin username and password. So let me go ahead and actually, let me go ahead and run it. And you can see that it returns a plist. And it overrides the key of login window, background image URL, and local username and local admin password. Those admin username and passwords we'll use for the another video we have, but for now we'll just do the background image. And you can see that this one's motion blue, and if I run it again, it'll show that it's Ventura graphics. So every time I run it, it returns a new desktop pattern. So let me go ahead and log out, and I already installed this configuration profile that uses this script, and you can see that it has that nice green swoopiness, and if I refresh this, it should choose a different background pattern, and it does. So this allows us to, it's kind of a simple example of the local state based on get the screensaver. So if we switch the local login window, it too uses the background, so you can see that this one will have a different kind of colorful swoopiness, and then we can switch back to the cloud login, and its desktop pattern is changed. So that's how you create an override script. You do have to install it locally. It has to be approved by the configuration profile that's installed, and it has to have the correct owner and permissions on the file in order for it to be run. But once you have that set up, you can then use that file to be able to have any kind of configuration override for the configuration profile. So an example might be a desktop pattern based on the subnet that it's on, or the host name, something like that. Thanks very much for watching, and that's the new feature of the override script for XCreds 3.1.